Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video we're going to be reviewing the Bliiq wireless earphones. This is one of the best wireless earphones we've reviewed in 2018 and it will be a very big hit in 2019 and beyond. In this video we'll talk about the features, the design, what you get in the box, the sound, how to use it, who these earbuds are for, the price and where to get them. So let's go on straight to the video. Let's take a look at the features. First of all, the Bluetooth. This guy allows you to connect to any device seamlessly without any stress. Next feature is the ultra large battery life that allows you to use these guys for up to 14 hours non-stop. These earphones have omnidirectional mic that picks up external sounds and transmits them through the earphone and allows you to hear your surround sound in real time without removing the earphones. This feature is called Ambient Mode. Another cool feature is the quick charge that allows you to charge this guy up for less than 10 minutes and use it for more than an hour. It has Nano-Tech coating that protects your earphones from water and sweat, enabling you to power through your workout. Now let's take a look at the design. These guys, they have a sleek and smooth design. It comes in 3 different colors: the black, the white and the red. Now let's check out what's in the box when you purchase it. In the box you'll see the Hummingbird earphones, a carrying case, 2 comb ear tips, 3 round ear tips, 3 silicone ear tips and 1 micro USB charging cable without the head. Alright, the next thing we're going to be talking about is the sound quality. The sound quality for this earphone is excellent. The voice and music are absolutely clear and the bass is a little light, but other than that I'd rate this sound quality as a 9/10. Alright, the next thing we're going to be talking about is how to use it. To turn these babies on, you need to hold the power button for 3 seconds until you hear the audio cue. To turn it off, you just have to hold the power button again for 3 seconds until you hear the audio cue again. Alright, let's talk about how to pair this guy up with your device. Once you power it on, it will automatically enter pairing mode and the LED indicator light will flash red and white. On your device, you just have to select the name of the earphone in the list of devices. Then you hear an audio cue and the LED light will stop flashing. If the pairing is successful, the LED light will flash white once every 30 seconds. If it's unsuccessful, the LED light will flash red once every 30 seconds. Other than that, it will connect automatically after the first successful pairing. Alright, now let's talk about the music mode. Okay, in the music mode, if you press the power button once, it's going to pause the music. If you press it another time, it's going to resume the music. To increase the sound, you just have to press the plus button, and to decrease the sound, you just have to press the decrease button. To skip to the next track, press and hold the plus button, and to go to the previous track, you just have to press and hold the decrease button. Alright, now let's take a look at the ambient mode and how to enable it on the device. So the ambient mode doesn't just work like on its own, you have to enable it. To enter the ambient mode, you need to press the power button twice, and to exit it, you need to press it once. The ambient mode won't work actively if the Bluetooth is not connected. These earphones are basically for students, athletes, and basically anyone looking for great wireless earphones. Cleaning these earphones are very easy to do. You just have to remove the ear tip and clean it or replace it. Now let's talk about the pricing. These guys go for about $79, but they vary by color and some other features, so check the link right down there in the description below. I have the link to all the colors, the white, the red or the black, so check that out. You can also check out the text review on our blog. The link is also right down there in the description below, so go check that one out too. Thank you all for watching this video.